Alright, this is what you get when you go trail riding. A lot of people don't get to enjoy this kind of stuff. But here it is. Can you dig it? This is our Grass Valley Trail ride. Nick, Tony, and your host Bill. Brought to you by my KTM World.
Billy, get up there on the hill, take a picture of that.
I will.
That is awesome, man. Straight nation, lefty. Unbelievable.
It's up in Grass Valley, Chalk Bluff. And we're having some fun with the boys. We're all riding Hondas today. Hey. Yeah. So we're heading next. And this hill. Going on to other areas, which should be quite interesting. We'll hike back in here. Check it out. Happy Mother's Day, by the way. Love you, Mom. This is all for you. And Queenie. And we'll even include Susan in there. Because she is the mother of my kids. And I love my kids. Howdy, folks.
How's it going, man?
It's going good.
Good ride, huh?
Oh yeah, it's awesome. Is this pretty slippery?
It's just loose on the pine needles, so
I better, yeah. I better put the camera down then.